Hello and welcome to the lesson. Today we are going to discuss users of audited financial statements. In our last sessions, we defined auditing as a systematic and independent examination of the financial records of an organization to ascertain their accuracy, fairness, and compliance with the regulations. In our today's lesson, we will be looking at the users. Who are the users of audited financial statements? And candidates, the users of audited financial statements are diverse, and each has his or her own interests and objectives. In this lesson, we'll highlight the primary users of audited financial statements. The first category, investors and shareholders. Investors and shareholders use audited financial statements to meet their own needs. They use financial statements to assess the profitability, financial stability, and growth opportunities or growth potential of a company, which then helps them make informed investment decisions. If one is to invest in company B, then that person has to rely on audited financial statements in order to make such a decision, because we defined auditing as an independent and systematic examination of the financial statements of an organization in order to ascertain their accuracy, reliability, and also compliance with regulations and laws. Investors and shareholders. 2, lenders. Lenders and creditors also rely on audited financial statements. These are banks and other financial institutions. They rely on audited financial statements to evaluate a company's creditworthiness and to check if the company has the ability to repay loans. Lenders and creditors. 3, the management. The management also need the audited financial statements to monitor performance, to identify areas of improvement, and to make strategic decisions about the company's future. The managers rely on audited financial statements to make their decisions. The fourth user is government agencies. Government agencies. Now, government agencies include tax authorities who use audited financial statements to assess a company's tax liability and ensure compliance with tax laws. And regulatory bodies may also use them to monitor industry trends. They may use audited financial statements to assess the overall health of the economy and so on. Government agencies. Then the fifth user is the employees. Employees are also users of audited financial statements. Employees may be interested in the financial health of their employer, especially if their compensation or job security is tied to the company's performance. Employees, that is the fifth user. Then we have suppliers and customers. Suppliers and customers. Suppliers and customers. Suppliers may use financial statements to assess the creditworthiness of their customers and also decide on credit terms. Customers, on the other hand, may use the audited financial statements to evaluate the stability of the company. Suppliers and customers. 7, competitors. The competitors. The competitors. Competitors. Competitors may analyze a company's financial statements for the purposes of benchmarking their own performance. They may also use these financial statements to identify areas where they can improve and also develop competitive strategies. Competitors. Number 8, financial analysts and researchers. Financial analysts and researchers is yet another set of users of audited financial statements of companies, and they use audited financial statements to analyze industry trends, to evaluate investment opportunities, and conduct academic research. To conduct academic research. Then lastly, we have the general public. The general public may be interested in the financial performance of companies, and these are companies they interact with. So the general public may be interested in the companies they interact with, such as banks, such as insurance companies, such as utility providers. And this information, the audited financial statements, can help them make informed decisions about their financial relationships with the company. So these are 9 users of audited financial statements. 1, investors and shareholders. 2, lenders and creditors. 3, the management. 4, government agencies. 5, employees. 6, suppliers and customers. 7, competitors. 8, financial analysts and researchers. And lastly, the general public. The general public. These are 9 users of audited financial statements. And it is important to note that this is not an exhaustive list. There may be other stakeholders who use audited financial statements for their own specific purposes. But the key takeaway is that audited financial statements play a crucial role in providing reliable and transparent information to a wide range of users, promoting trust and also confidence in the financial markets. Assignment 1. Identify 9 primary users of audited financial statements and explain their specific interests. 2. How do investors and creditors utilize audited financial statements in their decision-making processes? 3. Explain the role of government agencies in using audited financial statements. 4. How might employees benefit from assessing and understanding their employer's audited financial statements? Thank you. In our next lesson, we are going to study features of audits. Bye-bye.